guys, it's me, Laura, and today we're gonna talk curtains. That's right, we got these blackout curtains for my daughter's room. Of course, the decor, as you see, yes, she had to make it her own style, but the goal of this was because she is in the attic and it is hot up here. Well, let's repeat. It was hot up here. Now it is not. Look, we have this thermometer in her room to kind of keep gauge of how hot it is, and now it is only 3 degrees hotter than it is downstairs, which is amazing if you think of an attic space. So these curtains really served its purpose. If you want to see, she wanted white in her room because of course it's aesthetically so cute in here. So we compromised and got the white on white if she said that she would put dark blackout shades in her room. Now it's got the paneling on the back that makes it that dark. As you can tell, it is sunny outside, guys. Look, sun, darkness. She might be sleeping a little bit longer being a teen, of course, but that's okay because this room, we were trying not to put an upstairs air conditioner in here, and these actually solve the problem. So if you are looking for a space in your house that it needs to be darker, cooler, or just aesthetically cute, these would be the curtains that I would choose. Okay. That's gonna be my cover.